Hello students, welcome. So now we are going to start chapter 2, operations on rational numbers. Okay, if we see in these examples, we have these rational numbers where we have to add or subtract them. Same like taking equal denominators, then taking out LCMs. Okay, this we did last chapter. Okay, so we are directly starting worksheet 1. Add the following. We have to add these rational numbers having common denominators. So let's see. Worksheet 1, first question, add the following. Okay, 2 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7. Here, whenever we add or subtract rational numbers, 2 upon 7 is a rational number, 5 upon 7 is a rational number. So whenever we add or subtract, the denominators must be equal. If they are equal, then only we can directly add the numerators or we can subtract the numerators. But if they are not equal, then we have to take out the LCM, equalize the denominators, and then we can add or subtract the numerators. Here in this first question, already the denominators are equal. So no need to find LCM, we are going to directly add. So what? 7 and 7, we will take it as common. Okay. And up we have 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 is what? 7. 7 upon 7. 2 plus 5 7 and this upon 7. Okay. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled. What we get? 1. Okay. So 1 is the answer. Next, minus 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9. Okay, again we have same denominators, so we'll put is equal to. This is equal to sign is very much important. Okay, now common 9 we will take, this 9 and this 9 we take it as common, and here what we have in numerator? Minus 5, then we have plus, and then we have 7. Okay, so now minus plus minus, minus plus minus, so 7 minus 5 is how much? 2. You understood why did I subtract it? They have addition in between, but 5 has a sign what? Minus. So we have to add these signs also. So minus plus minus. And so one more thing, you just note it down that when we have same signs, we get the answer as plus. Minus minus will also get plus. Okay, plus plus plus, minus minus plus. Okay, but when we have opposite signs, the answer will be minus. Okay, same signs, we get the answer as plus, and opposite signs we get answer as minus. So if we see here, we have opposite signs, minus plus, so we have to then subtract. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Now in this 7 and 5, who is the bigger number? 7. And what is the sign of 7? Plus. So what is, see, if here 5 it is there, you sign of 5 is what? Minus. It is not plus, not this side, this one on the left side. So sign of 5 is minus and sign of 7 is plus. Okay, so what sign will come here? The bigger the number, that sign will come. So 7 is the bigger number, so sign of 7 is plus, so it will be plus 2. Okay, and upon 9 we have. Further, we cannot reduce this number. 2 is a prime number, so we cannot reduce, so this is the answer. Okay, next question. 2 3 upon 11 plus 9 upon minus 11. Okay, now here first of all what we have, this is a mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction. So first we have to calculate this. Now how is this? This number is in middle of between what? 3 and 11. So we are going to multiply this number by the denominator and then we are going to add. So it will be 2 into 11, 22. Okay, see, 2 multiply by the denominator 11. 2 into 11 is what? 22, and then add to the numerator, add plus 3. Okay, 2 into 11 22, 22 plus 3 25. Okay, this is not a step, I am just showing you. Okay, so what I will write? 25. What I got? 22 plus 11 22, 22 plus 3 25 I wrote, and again denominator as it is I am going to write. Now here in 9 upon 11, see, here minus 11 is there, here plus 11, here minus 11. We cannot keep a negative sign in the denominator, so we are going to shift it upwards. So 9 upon minus 11 will become minus 9 upon 11. Okay, now you have positive denominators, both are same, so we'll write 11 as a common denominator for both. And now the numerators we'll write. So what we have, 25 plus minus 9, 25 plus minus 9. Okay, now here what we have, opposite signs, plus minus. I told you na, if we have same signs we will add. माइनस माइनस है तो वी विल ऐड, प्लस प्लस है तो वी विल ऐड, बट वी हैव ऑपोजिट साइंस, प्लस माइनस. सो प्लस माइनस इज व्हाट, माइनस. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सबट्रैक्ट 25 minus 9. Okay, 25 minus 9, what we get, 16. Now 16 we got. Among this, which one is the greater number, 25. So what is the sign of 25, we will see here, not this one. Sign of 9 is what, this. So sign of 25 is also here. There is nothing, no sign mentioned, we will consider it as positive, plus 25. When there is no sign here, it is plus. Okay, so as among these 25 is bigger and the sign of 25 is plus, so 16 will also become plus. Okay, जो बड़ा नंबर होता है उसका साइन हम लोग लगाते हैं. ओके, बट यहाँ पे वो प्लस है तो इट विल रिमेन एज प्लस. देन अपॉन व्हाट, 11. Okay, now we cannot reduce this number. 11 is a prime number, we cannot reduce it. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, next question, fourth one, minus 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. Okay, again put is equal to sign, we have denominators same, so we'll write it as common. 4 up, what we got, minus 5 plus 5. Okay, now here we have opposite signs, minus plus, so minus plus is what, minus. Opposite signs hai to we subtract, so minus plus minus, so 5 minus 5 is what, 0. 5 minus 5 is 0, and then we are not going to give any sign because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so no sign for 0. Then we write divide by 4. Okay, this upon 4. Now what is, if we divide or multiply any number by 0, what answer we get, 0. Okay, now next sum, fifth one, minus 2 5 upon 6 plus 13 upon minus 6. Okay, now here again we have a mixed fraction, so we are going to again multiply 2 by the denominator and then we are going to add by the numerator. Matlab 2 into 6, then whatever answer is there we will add with the numerator. Okay, so what is 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 5, 17. 2 6 are 12 plus 5, 17. So what we got, 17. Now 2 has minus sign over here, so we'll put minus sign, and upon what, we have 6. Next plus sign, now we'll write 13 upon 6. Here denominator has minus sign, so this minus sign will go up, so we get minus 13 upon 6. So now we have positive denominators, we will write it as common and write the denominators up there. So sorry, numerators, minus 17 plus what we have here, minus 13. Got it? Minus 17 plus minus 13. So we have 3 signs now over here. So first we will calculate this sign. Okay, minus 17 will keep as it is, plus minus, only this one, plus minus, minus. Why? Because both are opposite signs, so plus minus, minus 13. I didn't wrote this minus 13, I calculated this plus minus minus and only 13 I wrote upon 6. Okay, again now we will calculate this now. See, now we have same signs, minus minus. So when we have same signs, what we do, add. So minus minus is what, plus. 17 plus 30, we get 13, we get 30. 7 plus 3, 10, 30. Okay, so we added this 17 plus 13, we got 30. Now which number is bigger in this, 17. What is the sign of 17, minus, so we'll put minus sign over here. Got it? And then divide by 6. Now 30 goes in 6 ka table, so what it is, 6 ones are 6, 5 za. So what we got? minus 5 as the answer. Okay, now next question, sixth one, minus 21 upon 3 plus 18 upon 3. Now both the denominators are same, we will write it as common, and up now we will write the numerators, minus 21 plus 18. Okay, now opposite signs, so we are going to subtract. So 21 minus 18 is how much? 3. 18 goes from 21, we get 3. Now which number is bigger in this? 21. What is the sign of 21? Minus. Okay, and write 3 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. So what we get? 1, and you have what we have over here? Minus sign. So minus 1 is the answer. So now we will start next question. Worksheet 1, second question, find the values of this. Now if you see here, we have different denominators, 9, 4, 11, 4, 8, 5. Previously we had said same denominator, so directly we added and subtracted. Now we have to take out the LCM. Okay, so let's see. First question is 4 upon 9 plus 7 upon 4. So second question, first one I am doing 4 upon 9 plus 7 upon 4. Okay, now here 9 and 4 are not same, so directly we cannot add. We have to first equalize the denominators. How we will equalize? We are going to take out the LCM. So let's take out the LCM. You can do it in a rough side. You can draw a rough line over here. Okay, so see here, denominators only we have to take 9 and 4. So 9 and 4. Okay, 9 ones are 9 and 4 comes down. 4 ones are 4 directly. Okay, so what is 9 fours are? 9 fours is 36. Okay, so we have to bring the denominator up to 36. So first what you will write? LCM is what we got? 36. Okay, so right now 4 upon 9. Now here 36 we want. So 9, how much are 36? 9 fours are 36. So up also we will multiply by 4. Now next we have addition this. Then we will write 7 upon 4. 4, how much are 36? 4 nines are. So up also we will multiply by 9. Now we will multiply 4 fours is 16 upon 9 fours is 36. Then 7 nines is 63. Then 9 fours is 36. Now we got the denominator same. Okay, so I will do this some continue here only. So now we got what? Same denominator. So we will write it as common. 36 I wrote as common. And what is in the numerator? 16 plus 63. So I will write 16 plus 63. So what I get? 6 plus 3, 9. 79 upon 36 I get. Okay. Here, see 79 upon 36. Either you can divide and check whether it can form a mixed fraction, or you can keep this like, you can keep it as an answer also. Okay, 79 upon 36. Or further, if we want, we can convert it into mixed fraction also. 79 upon 36 we got. So what we can do? Can divide 79 by 36. Okay, 36 ones are 36 twos are 72. Okay, I did 36 into 2, 72. So 7 I got, here 0. There is nothing to take down, only 7 I got. So how you are going to write? The quotient, the answer you will write in between. The remainder goes up and the divisor comes down, 36. 2, 7 upon 36. Like this we write. Okay, so here final answer you can write like this also, 2, 7 upon 36. Okay, or you can keep this also. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Minus 7 upon 11 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. So minus 7 upon 11 plus 1 upon 4. Again what, we don't have the denominators in common, so we have to take out the LCM. Okay, 11 is a prime number, right? Doesn't go in any table, so it will be 11 into 4. You can do like this also, 11 and 4, or other like 4 multiply here and 11 multiply here, we can do that. So what will be the LCM? 11 into 4 is 44. Same is 44. Okay, so I wrote minus 7 upon 11. So for 44, what I will do? Multiply by 4. This 4 I will multiply here, this 11 I will multiply here. So up also I am multiplying by 4. Then plus, then I will take this 1 upon 4. 44 I will multiply, for 44 I will multiply 4 by 11. So up also I multiply by 11. Now what, 7 4 is how much? 28. Minus plus minus. Here in multiplication we always multiply the signs. In subtraction, if there is addition or subtraction in between here, we see which one is the bigger number and then we put the sign. But in multiplication and division it is not like, we multiply the signs, minus plus minus, so I put minus. Okay, 11 4 is 44. I have plus sign. Okay, 11 1s are 11, 4 11s are 44. Now we have same denominators, so we'll write these denominators in common. Now up what we have? Minus 28 plus 11. Okay, so minus plus opposite signs again. So minus plus is what? Minus. So 28 minus 11. 8 minus 1 7 and 2 minus 1 1 17. Now in this which number is bigger? 28. So what is the sign of 28? Minus. I'll put minus 17. Upon what? Sorry, 44. Upon 44. 17 is a prime number, doesn't go in any table. So this is the final answer, minus 17 upon 44. Okay. Now next question. 5 upon 8 plus minus 3 upon 5. Okay. 5 upon 8 plus minus 3 upon 5. Again LCM. 5 is a prime number, doesn't go in any table, directly we were going to multiply. We are going to multiply 8 by 5 and 5 by 8. So 8 5 is how much? 40. So in the denominator we want 40. So I will write first what? 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8 I wrote. Then 8 multiply by what? I will get 45. 8 5 are 40. So up also I will multiply by 5. Then I have addition. Okay. Next is what? Minus 3 upon 5. So for 40, what I will multiply by 5? 5 8s are. I told you na, multiply 5 over here and 8 over here. Same. See. So here I multiplied by 8. So up also you multiply by 8. Now 5 5 is how much? 25. 8 5 are 40. Then you have plus sign. 8 3s are 24. Minus plus minus. See here, now multiplication is there, we multiply the signs and then we write. Here 8 is bigger, so 8 sign is plus, so we are not going to put plus because 8 is bigger. Why? Because there is multiplication in between. When we have multiplication or division, we multiply the sign, minus plus minus. But if we had plus or minus in between here, so we minus plus minus hota tha, but the bigger the number, that sign we put. Okay, but here it is multiplication between 3 and 8, so we'll multiply the sign, minus plus minus. Now 8 5s are 40. Now we will take 40 in common. What we have in the numerator? 25, then plus, then minus 24. Okay. Now plus minus, opposite signs, so we'll minus it, subtract it. Plus minus minus, so 25 minus 24 is 1. Who is bigger? 25. What is the sign of 25? Nothing over here, means it is plus. So it will be plus 1 upon what? 40. 1 upon 40. Now next question. 10 upon 63 plus 6 upon 7. Fourth question. 10 upon 63 plus 6 upon 7. Now here if we see 63 we have and 7. In 7 63 goes. 7, how much is the 63? 7 9s are 63. So if I multiply 9 over here, 7 into 9, I will get 63. So the denominators will be same then. Then here I will multiply nothing. I will keep it as it is. Let's see how 10 upon 63 plus 6 upon 7 I wrote. 7 how much are 63? 7 9s are 63. And up also will multiply by 9. Okay. And if you want to see by this method, the LCM also comes 63. See what we had in the denominator here, 63 and 7. 63 and 7. So both goes in 7 table. 7 9s are 63. 7 1s are 7. 9 9 1s are 9. See 7 9s is what? 7 9s is 63. Got it? Okay, so we directly multiply 7 into 9 over here. Here we will do nothing because already we have 63 in the denominators. So I get what? 10 upon 63 plus 9 6 is how much? 54 upon 7 9s are 63. Now what? We will take 63 in common. 63 in common, and up what we have? 10 plus 54. Okay, I will write over here. So I will is equal to 63 I wrote. 10 plus 54 is how much? 64. Okay, further we cannot reduce it. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now next question. Minus 7 upon 64 plus 3 upon minus 16. Okay, so let's see. Fifth question. Minus 7 upon 64 plus 3 upon minus 16. Now here we have to remove this minus sign. So we will write minus 7 upon 64 as it is plus. Now 3 upon 16 I wrote. Minus sign we will put up because we want the denominators as positive. Okay. Now here again 16 how much is 64? 16 4s are 64. So when we multiply 4 over here, we get 16 4s are 64. Then we will have same denominators, but you can check from here also by this method. What we had 64 and 16. If you want, you can do it by 4 table also. Both goes in 4 ka table. Okay. So 4 1s are 4. 2 gets carried. 4 6 are 24. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. So 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. If we multiply that, we get 64. Okay. So what I will do? LCM is what here? 64. Okay. So minus 7 upon 64, I will keep it as it is because already we have the denominator. Then we will write the plus sign. Then minus 3 upon 16. So I will multiply by 4 down. Up also I will get 4. Next minus 7 upon 64 plus 3 4s is how much? 12. Minus plus minus, as there is multiplication in between, on the signs will get multiplied also. Minus plus minus. Okay. Upon 16 4s are 64. Now we have what? Common denominator. Same denominator, so we will write it in common. Now we have minus numerator minus 7 plus minus 12. Okay. Next minus 7 as it is we will write. First we will calculate this sign because we have 3 signs. So first these 2 signs we will solve. Plus minus opposite signs. So it will, what we will do? Subtract. Plus minus minus. So 12 minus 7 is how much? So sorry, we'll do it in the next stage. Plus minus minus. Plus minus minus I wrote, and 12 as it is I will bring it down. Got it? Minus 7 I wrote as it is. There are 2 signs in between. So first we will calculate that. Plus minus minus, and 12 comes down. Then we wrote what? 64 divided by. Then now minus minus is how much? Same signs we have. So we are going to add the number. Minus minus plus 12 plus 7. What we get? 12 plus 7, 19. And upon 64. Now here minus minus plus 12 plus 7, 19 we wrote. Who is the bigger number in this? 12. So what is the sign of 12? Minus. So I will write minus 19 upon 64. Okay. Now next question. 5 upon 12 plus minus 9 upon 20. Okay, let's see. Sixth question. 5 upon 12 plus minus 9 upon 20. Okay, same. Now here we have to take out the LCM, right? Because in 12 table 20 doesn't go to directly multiply. Okay, so we will check 12 and 20. Okay, both go in which table? 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 10s are again 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 5 comes down, 5 1s are 5. So what I got? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So what is the LCM? 60. So LCM is 60. Okay, so I will take first word down, 5. 5 upon 12. So 12, how much are 60? 12 5s are 60. So up also will multiply by 5. Now I will take plus sign. Then minus 9 upon 20 are 2. 20, how much are 60? 20 3s are 60. 2 3s are 6 and 0. 20 3s are 60. So up also will multiply by 3. Now 5 5s are 25. 12 5s are 60. Plus 9 3s are 27. Minus plus minus 23s are 60. Now I have the denominators, same denominator, so I will write it in common. Up what I have? 25 plus minus 27 I have. Okay, now again, now we'll calculate this sign. We have opposite signs, so we'll subtract. Plus minus minus 27 minus 25 is what? 2. Who is bigger in this? 27. So what is the sign of 27? Minus. Okay, upon 60. Now 60 goes in 2 ka table, na? 2 1s are 2 3s are 6 0. So what I get? 1 upon 30 and minus sign. So minus 1 upon 30 is the answer. Okay, so we completed question number 2.